Hello everybody, and today I'm talking about a new cultivar that I tried this year. This is a cucumber called Green Lights. This is it right here. And it's a mini cucumber, spineless, and very productive. They say that it'll produce about 40 fruits per plant. And so far, on the plants I have in my garden, it's doing just that. I'm just awash with cucumbers. My wife has to take them to work just about every day. And its ideal size for picking is when it's between 3 to 4 inches, which is about this size. Now this one is a little fat, whereas here's another one from the same plant. This one's probably around 5 inches and it's much more slender. And over here on the side, if you don't pick them, they will get fairly large. So the ideal mini cucumber for this particular variety is 3 to 4 inches. Now you might be wondering, what is an All-America Selection Award winner? And there is a private company, and you can go to their website. It's called allamericanselections.org, and they usually will have award winners that could be either perennial flowers, annual flowers, herbs, or vegetables. And they will receive awards, national awards, if it grows well around the entire United States, or it might be a regional award like the Great Lakes where it grows the best. So all that information is there for you. They show you pictures and they tell you all the details about that particular plant. Now these are private companies, it's a private organization. They send seeds to testing gardens all around the United States and Canada. I think there are over 30 different locations. And they evaluate these over a two-year period, and what they look for is things that consumers are interested in. Like for flowers, it might be disease resistance, it might be uniformity, a new color, a new form, and with vegetables, of course, they want superior taste and quality. So we're going to take a taste of these, and I've already had some, but I'm going to taste them for you. I'm going to start with the one that's about the proper size. It has a very thin skin, so you don't have to peel it. Green on the inside, kind of greenish. Good cucumber taste. Now I will say the cucumbers that have very dark skins and generally thicker skins, I think those have more of what I call a cucumber taste. But this is quite acceptable. It's good. Not bad. Now I'm going to taste a larger one to see if the quality goes down at all. This is what it looks like on the inside. The larger one, smaller one about the same. Maybe the one on the smaller ones are just a little teeny bit greener. The flavor is a little bit more washed out. It's not as strong a cucumber flavor as a large cucumber it is with the small. Now, one of the things I found with this particular cultivar that I don't consider a positive is that it's because it has such a thin skin, it tends to dry out a little faster than a cucumber. Now, you also have to realize that in the grocery store, cucumbers are coated, they're waxed. With a material that will prevent them from dehydrating very quickly. Here's an example of one that has been in the house for a couple of days, and you can see that it is already starting to wilt a little bit. It's still quite firm, but I had some in the refrigerator, and after one day they tended to wilt a little faster than they did when they were just sitting at room temperature. So I guess I would prefer that. Now, obviously these would taste really good with some ranch dressing, but I've been trying to go vegan and ranch dressing is kind of out. I miss it. I really miss it a lot, but I'm trying to do that for my health. So anyway, this is a good cucumber. You really do need to use it quickly, and I will have some more videos on some tomato varieties that I tried this year and other things coming out of the garden, so please stay tuned. Hope this was helpful. Try it out. This is Gary. Bye.